Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today we will see another next process in SAP MM, that is third party processing in SAP MM. It is also known as by trading process as well. So we will see that. Before that, if you are new on my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends and colleagues who are interested to learn. So let's see what is exactly mean by third party processing or trading process. As its name itself suggests, that third party means or trading means company will buy material from some vendor and it will supply to customer directly. So what exactly it means? The company's vendor supplies material to company's customer, or in other words, vendor supplies material to customer's customer. That is called as third party or trading process. Let's understand this process bit with the diagram. Let's consider this customer and he has requested some material to the company through purchase order, but for this company it will be the sales order. Then this company will request his vendor or supplier through purchase order that material, and in address field he will maintain address of customer, so this supplier or vendor will deliver that good or service directly to the customer. However, this vendor or supplier will send an invoice to the company, and then company will send another invoice with their benefit or their concession to this customer, and then customer will pay to this company and company will pay to the supplier. Let's see what configuration are required in system before starting this process in SAP. So there are some configuration and it is from SD side, even though third party has integration of SD and MM. So we will see that configuration, what are the mandatory configuration for third party process. So first one is Vivo V7, where we maintain item category TAS. So let's dive into system and check all this configuration. So as I said, I have already logged into system, and here I will run T-code VOV7. Although I have maintained all configuration in system, I will show here how to maintain. If not, or even if you take any standard plant or company code, this configuration will be there. Once VOV7 runs, you will see this maintain item category. So this is from sales side, then search for item category TAS. So see, it's maintained here TAS and it's a standard one with third party item. Just double click or click on here. So I will just double click on that. And what we are interested here is only about its pricing, and the scheduling line must be allowed, so that if that scheduling line allowed, will create in background purchase requisition. This scheduling line allow will create in background purchase requisition. Also, this will decide if you want to create automatic PO as well out of that purchase requisition. So if you take this and all configuration like material master and vendor master, where you have ticked automatic PO, then this will convert again that PR into PO immediately when you create sales order. That we will see later on, but as of now I will keep as it is. I will change nothing here. And just if it's not similar setting in your system, just change this and save this. I have done this, so I will not change anything here. Then our next setting is Vivo V4, where we maintain item categories assignment, that is TAS and BANS, where we assign this BANS in material master, and that will identify this TAS. So this TAS will get reflect in sales order when we create sales order. So now we will do that VO V4. So run transaction VO V4. Once you go here, search for which sales order type you want to make. So in this case I will use standard only, that is OR. What is item category group I am interested is BANS, and just search for it. So see, here it's again standard setting, no need to change if you are using some standard plant or company code or standard configuration. So here you will see this, just double click on it. So By default category will be picked TAS, but you can change that categories as well if you want using this, but we are interested in only TAS as we are doing third party scenario. If this is not there, you have to maintain through new entry whatever document type you are using for third party, any custom document, then you can adjust that accordingly and save this. In my case it's maintained, so I'm not going to save because I'm using standard company code 0001. Then our next setting is VO V5, where we will assign scheduling line category, that is CS, to this item category, so that when we create sales order, that time scheduling line will create purchase requisition in background. So let's see. So our T code is VO V5. VO V5, just run that, hit enter. Okay, here. So search for our item category TAS, that's what we are interested in, and here we can see this scheduling line already assigned to it. If not, you can create new, assign TAS and CS in scheduling line section and you can save. But it's standard, so no need to change anything. I'm just showing this configuration so that you will maintain if you are using some customization or something like that. If it is standard, then no need to maintain, most of time it will be there. Then next setting is Vivo V6, where we will maintain scheduling line category. So go into Vivo V6. Okay, and search here for CS. So where is CS? Yeah, this one. So it's already maintained, no need to change anything, because for item category CS, this 5 means here third party and account assignment category. You can choose whatever your organization want or whatever you want to test. So in my case, I'm not going to change anything because it's all auxiliary account assignment are selected here. You can put if you want to use cost center or project, or accordingly you or whatever suits for your business or your practice. But I will change nothing, and item category must be third party. So it's already third party, so I will change nothing here. Then save and go back and go for next setting, that is OVAZ, where we will assign sales type to sales organization. So let's see, run OVAZ, press enter. Now provide here reference sales organization, for which sales organization you are going to assign this. Then your distribution channel, you must know this. I am using standard, so I am using all the standard ones 001 that are already assigned, and my sales document type is OR, that is standard. In your case, it might be depend on your business, if some custom is there, or if you want to use standard, you can use OR. Then see here, so it's assigned. If it's not, you have to maintain this in that case. So see, this is my sales organization. My distribution channel, reference distribution channel will be 01, then my product division will be 01, and sales document type will be OR, that is standard order. So once you maintain this, it's all already available there, no need to maintain, but you just have to cross check if you are using standard SAP configuration, or if you want to change something in that, then you must know this configuration. Then once you done this configuration, then we will see with the process flow how exactly third party works. So there are few prerequisite that we should maintain before starting with this procedure. So we must have one customer, one vendor, and one material master data, so that you can check in my previous video how to create vendor master or material master. And also I will maintain any video for customer master as well, but it's not that hard. You can easily run XD01 in case you are using ECC, or in case you are using S4 HANA, then using BP you can create that. But for vendor master and material master, you can see the previous video and you can create that. Still, one more thing you must know, in material master we should maintain sales view. So I will show you how I have maintained that material that we're gonna use. So I'm going to use this data standard. So I will select this material and I will show you what views I have maintained that you should maintain. So you're going to run mm02. In my case I am running mm02, but you have to run mm01 and you have to see what all views I have maintained, and accordingly you should maintain data. So we need sales view here as we are using sales orders, as we have integration with sales area and so we will maintain sales views as well. So basic data, it's a pretty standard, no need to change anything. Just be sure you have maintained division because it's from sales side and we must know that. Then sales view, because basic data nothing different, only this one thing is different. Then in sales view no need to change anything. Again you will here maintain division as well, and rest thing is normal. Then sales 2, we have to maintain this item category group as BANS. We will not assign any TAS here, but we will assign in sales 2 view this item category group as a BANS. It's a third party. So that's why we will assign BANS here. That's the most important thing. Nothing else need to be worried about here. Then in this view, it's depending on like what you are doing or what are the mandatory field. In my case transportation group and loading group were mandatory, so I have maintained that, and in your case you have to check what is mandatory and accordingly you will maintain that. Then in purchasing it is the similar, nothing changed here, no need to worry about this. Then in plant and storage data, again nothing changed, everything is similar, but in accounting there you have to maintain one thing, that is your division. Again, in case it's not appearing here, while I was testing this scenario, I have maintained division earlier, still it was not there. So be careful while maintaining this, you must maintain this division 01 here in your case, your division of course, and just save this material. So that is the one thing from material. From vendor perspective nothing changed, everything is similar, no need to worry about that. And from customer you can check videos, that's the prerequisite. So we have maintained material. Next we will see to create sales order, as our customer is sending purchase order, but for our company it's gonna be the sales order, and we don't know medium how he gonna say. He might say through some electronic way or he might send manually, but for us this will be the sales order, so we will maintain that sales order in our system. So let's see. So I will run T code VA01 to create sales order. Then provide all data. In my case I'm using standard order type, that's why OR. I'm using sales organizations 0001, distribution channel 01 and division 01. Then press enter. Then provide data like sold to party, that is nothing but customer, and also ship to party, that is also nothing but customer. Then material that we have maintained, how much quantity we want, and plant. And sometimes system won't pick item category here, so we have to provide manually TAS, that we have maintained. Then press enter. Then provide PO number. It will be anything. That PO number means the customer PO number and not a system PO number. So provide anything, whatever you want. System will not check in our system if this PO is exist or not. Then press enter. So there are some things missing, so go in edit and check for incompletion log. So two datas are missing, so I will complete that. First one is price, so select that item line and click on complete data, and system will go through the error screen and you can update that data there. Press enter. In your case there might not be the issue, but in my case there are two issue and I will correct them. Then there is no error in system, document is complete, then you can save this document. So this order has been created. So I will save this for our reference. Then go back. Then next thing is purchase requisition. So here PR will get created automatically with background when we create sales order. So let's check how to create it. We are not going to create here with ME51N. So let's go in system and check again in sales order. So there is T code VA03. So we have created sales order with VA01 and we're gonna check it with VA03. So this is my sales order. Just provide here and press enter. Then click here on this item line in order to check its item data. This is a header data. So double click on this item line and it will revert to the item data. So now we can see the item data for this sales order and we are interested in schedule line. So click on this so you can see PR number here. So I will just save this PR number for our reference. Okay, so once we have purchase requisition number that is created in background through sales order, next we have to convert this using T code ME51N, or if you are creating through background job, then it will be ME59N. And it will pick same item as item category and account assignment category, that is in PR. So let's check in system. And one more thing, when we maintain task as an item category, there we have option through which we can create automatic PO as well, in case if data is maintained in vendor master and material master as a auto PO. But in my case I haven't maintained that, so let's create manually with ME21N. So I will open another tab and I will run ME21N. First let's check PR. So I'm checking through ME53N. This is my PR that we created. Okay, so let's go and we will create PO with reference to this PR. So I'm copying this PR and run T code ME21N. So we can create with reference to PR using this document overview, but I will use another different way. Just provide PR number here. So I will copy PR number and this is my PR. Just provide here in purchase requisition and item number 10, press enter. So system will bring all data relevant to this. So see, all data is collected through PR in PO. Then we can modify here whatever you want, or you can save directly. So I will save directly. So no error, so I will save. So this one is the PO that I have created. So I will just copy and I will keep it for reference so that we can use for our next processes. Then next step is statistical GR. So see, what is statistical GR means? Any GR that is not creating any inventory or not updating your inventory in your plant, that is statistical GR. And in this process GR is optional. Even though you do GR, it will not matter, or if you even don't do GR, still system will allow you to perform goods invoice processing. So I will do first invoice processing and then I will talk more about GR. So next is our supplier invoice processing. So I will go in system and I will run T code Miro. So run T code Miro, then provide all details like your PO number, then all data that is required to perform invoice and press enter. You can calculate tax, how much amount, and quantity is 10, amount, whatever amount that you are charging, because we haven't done GR, so system will ask this detail here for how much amount you want to perform invoice, and provide this amount here. Okay, so nothing balance there, and save this invoice. So system have created this document, although it's blocked for payment, but we are not worried. Now we will go in ME23N and we will check purchase order history. So see here, we do not have any goods received, still we have performed invoice. So that's what how third party works. It allow us, or trading we can say, it allows us to create invoice without GR, as our supplier directly sends goods to our customer. Now I will talk a bit about statistical GR. So let's go and we will perform GR, and same time I will show you in system how that affect our stock or not. So I will run MMBE in order to check stock updates. First I will show you what is my current stock for this plant. So I will execute MMBE. So there is no stock, but there is on order stock is 21 and there is still no other stock. So on order stock means we have created purchase order with this much stock. Now I will perform goods receipt and then we will check the stock again. So I will do statistical GR. It's a similar, nothing change, just I will do MIGO. That is a similar what we do every time. MIGO with 101 movement. Still, as it's a third party, it will not update our stock. Same I will do for 10 quantity, all details similar, item okay, everything is fine. This is our PO and save. So see, uh, when you go here, it will show us item category as a third party. So directly you can save. So now I have posted this goods receipt. Now if I go in MMBE and I refresh this, so system will show me, see, now it's I have done GR for 10 quantity, still it's not updated my inventory anywhere. Still I can see only on order stock and nothing else, because this vendor has supplied that material to customer directly and not in our plant. So that's how statistical GR works. Then once we have done invoice, so next is vendor payments, that will be taken care by finance team, but we can check billing document as well in VF01. So I will go, this is a SD sales side, but I will show you how to do that. So go back, run VF01 and provide your sales order number. So that is mine, press enter. So see, this is my sales order. So this is my billing document and not a sales order. And you can save that as well. So it will create billing document. So this document has been created, but it will be handled by sales team. And next one is customer invoice processing, that will be taken care by sales team. So this is how third party or trading process works. So there is no difference between third party and trading. Most of retail industries follow this. Even you take example of Amazon, so it will work same way. Then what we have seen today, so these all things we have seen. So first we need to check configuration. If you are using standard, then no need to check this configuration, but it's good to check if something is missing before starting with this procedure. So these all are the T codes that you need to check. Then you have to create one customer. If you are using ECC, then XD01. If it's S4 HANA, then BP. Then for vendor also similar. If it's HANA BP, if not, then XK01. Then you have to maintain material master with sales views and purchasing views. Then we create, so here our process starts. So we create sales order, and in that sales order, in background, purchase requisition will be created if we have maintained, if you maintain automatic purchase order tick while creating tasks, Then PO also get created automatically. So this also we can skip. If not, then we have to create manually purchase order. Then Migo is optional. You do or you not. If you don't do, there is no issue because there will be no inventory update in plant. Then invoice processing, then billing document and customer invoice. All this all complete the summary for third party or trading process. So that's it for today's video. In case you have any question, please post in comment section and I will try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.